गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करेंगे बीएससी पार्ट सेकंड के क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के यूनिट सेकंड की इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ वेव पैकेट्स। वेव पैकेट्स का ओरिजिन, सी डेफिनेशन, प्रॉपर्टी और टाइम इवोल्यूशन के बारे में। फर्स्ट थिंग भी, व्हाट इज़ द ओरिजिन ऑफ वेव पैकेट्स। Part first, origin of wave packets. We know Schrödinger equation in one dimension. So the Schrödinger equation is h psi is equal to minus h cross square del 2 psi upon 2m del x square plus vx psi is equal to iota h cross del psi upon del t. This equation is the time dependent equation. Here h is the Hermitian operator, psi is the wave function, h Planck constant, 2m mass of particle, v potential of particle, and iota is imagination number and h cross m. Then in the left side, h psi e psi is the energy Hermitian, and right side iota h cross del psi by del t defined as the energy. Then in these Schrödinger equation are variable are two. There is the x and t, two variable dependent of psi. Their wave function of the depend on two variables x and t. Then we separate of this. Then psi x t is equal to psi x and theta t. The function of x is equal to psi and function of t is equal to theta. On substitution of above equation in first, we will get minus h cross square upon 2m del d2 psi upon dx square plus vx psi is equal to e psi. This is the time independent equation. Here psi is equal to psi x t is equal to psi x e की power minus iota e t by h cross. This is the complete wave function. Then applying time independent Schrödinger equation for a free particle. For a free particle, potential Vx is equal to 0. Then time independent equation become minus h cross square by 2m del 2 psi upon dx square is equal to e psi. On solving above equation, second order differential equation, then their solution, we assume that delta k psi k x is equal to a plus e की power a plus is the subscript of this, not a plus for adding. A plus e की power iota k x plus a minus e की power minus iota k x. Here k is equal to 2me upon h cross square by root 2. There k is the k space of k momentum in quantum mechanics. Then complete solution of these equations. Psi k x t is equal to a plus e की power iota k x minus omega t plus a minus e की power minus iota k x plus omega t. Here omega is the angular frequency of wave functions, t is the time, k is the constant, k space or k momentum. Then importance of coefficient a and b. Put b is equal to 0. Applying momentum operator on wave function, p is equal to h cross upon iota d by dx. Then we operating this equation, p psi is equal to h iota cross del psi by dx is equal to h upon iota then d a e की power iota kx by dx is equal to k h cross e की power iota kx is equal to k h cross psi, and put a is equal to 0. Then p psi is equal to h cross I upon d psi upon d x is equal to h cross d b e की power minus iota kx by dx is equal to minus k h cross b की power e b into e की power minus iota kx is equal to minus k h cross psi. Then momentum p is equal to k h cross, and energy of free particle E is equal to p square by 2m. Then E is equal to k square h square by 2m. Here solving is this wave function for a particle traveling to the right towards increasing x and left towards decreasing x with a given magnitude of linear momentum k h cross r each other's complex conjugate. This is the main physical view of A and B coefficients. Then above solution passes three Shewhart's problems. The probability density correspond to either solution are independent of x and t. Then p plus minus xt is equal to psi plus minus xt whole square is equal to p plus minus whole square. Then Heisenberg uncertainty principle give counter for this, both momentum and energy precisely defined, so we cannot get information of position and time. Second, the wave function is not square integrable. Minus infinite to plus infinite, psi plus minus psi star xt, psi plus minus xt dx is equal to a plus minus whole square minus infinite to plus infinite dx. These tend to infinite. Then speed of wave versus particle. Speed of wave upon wavelength upon time period. According to the Broglie hypothesis, lambda is equal to h by p. Time period is reciprocal of frequency. Then new wave is equal to omega upon k is equal to e by h cross here, and h cross by 2m. And new classical p by m is equal to h cross k by m is equal to 2 new wave. The particle travels twice as fast as the wave which represent it. So the plane wave are not solution for Schrödinger equation. This first part of this. Here is the origin of wave packet. This is the a plus minus their conjugate, and this one particle is a plus x direction moves towards, then momentum is equal to plus kx, and this decreasing particle going to minus x direction. These are the wave packet of wave function. Second, definition of wave packets. The remedy for all these problems come from mathematically expression called wave packets. Classical mechanics, particle and localized, and quantum mechanics, wave not localized. A localized wave function is called wave packet. So the function peak at a certain value of x and disappear within a small span. Localized wave packet can be constructed by superposing wave of slightly different wavelength but phase and amplitude chosen constructively in desired region and descriptively in other region. This can be done by Fourier transformation. Psi xt is equal to 1 by root 2 pi minus infinite to plus infinite psi k e की power iota kx minus omega t dk, where psi k is the amplitude of the wave packet. Choosing t tends to 0, t is equal to 0, then wave packet is given by psi 0 x 1 upon 2 pi minus infinite to plus infinite psi k e की power iota k x dk, where psi k is the Fourier transformation of psi 0 x. Then phi k is equal to 1 upon 2 pi minus infinite to plus infinite psi 0 x e की power minus iota kx dx. At x tends to 0, then exponential iota kx is equal to 1. This is the psi 0 x. Peak at x is equal to 0, and x tends to 0, exponential iota की power kx tends to 1. In this case, frequencies undergo constructive interference. Here picture first showing 2.10, the wave formed by the superposition of many waves with different wavelength. 20 waves have been superposed to produce this figure. And away from x tends to 0, x is equal to 0, then descriptive interference takes place and amplitude diminishes. For example, psi 0 x is equal to 2 pi a square की power 1 by 4 e की power minus x square upon a square e की power iota k0 x. Then what we can get from wave packets? These provided a linkage with the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. They embody and unify the particle and wave function of matter. They embody and unify the particle and wave function of matter waves. These provide a linkage between wave intensity and probabilities. They provide a connection between classical and quantum mechanics. Then these wave packets, there is the, for example, wave packets means these are the x is equal to 0, then their peak value and continuously decreasing, x is increasing or decreasing. X is equal to 0, there is the maximum peak we get, but plus x direction we continuously decreasing, and minus x direction we continuously. These are the wave packets, wave function of psi x. Their maximum value is getting x tends to 0 and x is equal to 0, then exponential iota kx is equal to 1, then psi 0 x is equal to 2 by a square. A is the maximum value of x. Then 1 by 4 e की power minus x square a square e की power iota k0. Then showing in lower picture, there is the x is varying with psi 0 x. Then psi 0 x is the maximum and delta x is equal to their maximum value upon root 2. We get the maximum value of delta x values. This is the definition of wave packets. Next, how wave packets give answer for previous queries. Then normalizations. Minus infinite to plus infinity psi 0 x whole square dx is equal to minus infinite to plus infinity psi k magnitude square upon dk. If psi is normalized, so is psi k and vice versa. If psi k is normalized, then phi k also normalized. Since we are not precisely defined momentum energy, we will not lose information about position and time. Second, wave velocity to be explained in few minutes. Then in the uncertainty relations, Gaussian wave packets delta x delta p is equal to h cross by 2. Other wave packets delta x delta p is greater than h cross by 2. Then Gaussian wave packet is called a minimum uncertainty wave packets. Then motion of wave packet, non-dispersive medium, psi k is equal to nu 0 k, then psi xt is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. There is a Fourier relations according to Fourier transformation. Then minus infinite to plus infinite psi k e की power iota k x minus nu 0 t by dk, which implies psi xt is equal to psi 0 x minus nu 0 t. The wave packet travels right without any distortions. Then dispersive medium, angular frequency is function of k, expanding angular frequency using Taylor series. Omega k is equal to omega k0 plus k minus k naught d omega k upon dk, k tends to 0 plus 1 by 2 k minus k0 whole square d square omega k dk square is equal to k tends to 0. Then a higher terms we neglecting, because delta k is equal to very smaller. Then omega k0 plus k minus k naught vg plus k minus k naught square alpha, where vg is equal to d omega k by dt. These are the group velocity, and alpha is equal to 1 by 2 d square omega k by dk square is their value k tends to k is equal to k0. Then the motion of wave packet is psi kt 1 upon 2 root 2 pi e की power iota k0 x minus nu pht minus infinity to plus infinity g k minus k0 e की power k minus k0 x minus vgt e की power iota k minus k0 whole square alpha t plus and dot tens. Then dk, where nu ph and vg are the respectively of the phase velocity and the group velocity. Here group velocity vg is equal to d omega by dk, and vph phase velocity v phase is equal to omega by k. Group velocity is the velocity with which the wave packet propagates as a whole. Then phase velocity is the velocity of individual waves. Then angular frequency related to the phase velocity by omega is equal to k nu ph. Nu ph is equal to omega by k. Then angular frequency related to the phase velocity, and group velocity nu g vg is equal to d omega by dk. Then nu phase plus k d nu phase by dk. Then group velocity nu phase plus p d ph by dp. Then vg is equal to dep by dp. Then v phase is equal to e by p. These are the other terms of group velocity and group and phase velocity in terms of energy and momentum. Then group velocity vg is equal to delta e by delta p, and phase velocity is the ratio of energy and momentum. In quantum mechanics, their other terms is ratio of angular velocity and phase space, and change with the angular velocity with and change with the phase. For non-dispersive medium, Vg is equal to Vph. Then Vg is equal to dP by dt, p square by 2m plus v is equal to p by m is equal to new particle. And Vph 1 by p square by 2p is equal to p square upon 2m by v is equal to 2p upon 2m plus v by p. For a free particle, Vg is equal to p by m, and Vph is equal to p by 2m. These are the Vg by 2. Then group velocity nothing but classical velocity. Phase velocity has no physical significance. Then linear approximation, we can translate the Taylor expression of angular frequency k minus k naught ka whole square alpha t is less than 1. Then psi xt is equal to, rewrite the 1 upon root 2 pi e की power iota k naught minus x v phase t minus infinity to plus infinity integration of g k minus k naught e की power iota k minus k naught x minus vg by t dk. These can be written as psi xt is equal to e की power k naught x minus nu pht psi square x minus vgt. Then modulating wave psi 0 x minus vgt is equal to propagates to the right with the group velocity. Then modulate wave e की power iota k0 minus v phase t travels right with phase velocity, and psi 0 x minus vgt is a curve with travel with group velocity and undistorted. In linear approximation, the wave packet is undistorted and undergoes a uniform translation. Then quadratic approximation. Let us now including the quadratic k square terms. Then k minus k naught square alpha t. Then psi xt is equal to e की power minus iota k naught x minus v phase t fxt is equal to these. Then applying above formalism on Gaussian wave packets, then psi xt is equal to 1 by root 2 pi a square upon 2 pi की power 1 by 4 e की power iota k0 x minus v phase t minus infinite to plus infinite integration, then exponential iota q x minus vgt minus a square by 4 plus iota alpha t q square dq. Then probability density psi xt का whole square is equal to 1 upon root 2 pi delta xt exponential minus x minus vgt का whole square upon delta xt whole square. Then width of wave packet delta xt is equal to a by 2 root में 1 plus 16 a square a4 by t square is equal to delta x0. Then width of wave packets in LA delta x is equal to a by 2. So in QA wave packets broadens linearly with time. Then spreading of wave packets probability density psi xt whole square is equal to 1 by root 2 pi delta xt exponential minus x minus vgt का whole square upon delta xt का whole square. Then width of wave packet delta xt is equal to a by root 2 root 1 plus 16 a square a4 t square is equal to ax0 root 1 plus a square t square upon delta x 4. Here is the showing width. Then in the first line their width is smaller, and in second small, then continuously we showing that their width is continuously increasing. There is the vg group velocity. This is the weight delta x0 is continuously in upper to down. Then width of the wave packets are the continuously increasing, showing in this figure. Then reference of these quantum mechanics concept of application by Nureddin Jotley. Thank you. Next we discuss next video.